Microsoft Word 2016 Basics, Part 4, Word Tools. In this video, we'll take a look at making bulleted lists, numbered lists, spelling check, and grammar check. Bulleted and numbered lists. To make a list stand out, it's helpful to use bullets or numbers. This can be used in many applications, such as on a resume to make part of your resume stand out, or even in simple applications such as a grocery list. To make your bulleted list, select the text to be bulleted. Then on the ribbon in the Home tab in the Paragraph group, click on Bullets. In order to turn off the bullets, click on the text that is bulleted. Then in the same area on the ribbon Home tab, Paragraph group, click on Bullets to turn it off. You can also change the type of bullet. To do so, click on the bulleted text. Then on the ribbon in the Home tab in the Paragraph group, click on the Bullets down arrow. That's the little arrow to the very right of all the bulleted area. Move the cursor over the choices and notice the preview of the text. Click on the desired type of bullet to apply. Numbered lists. To make your list a numbered list, click on the beginning of the text to be numbered, and the ribbon and the Home tab in the Paragraph group, click on Numbering. Let's look at an example. I've typed a grocery list. Now I want to bullet that list. Click on the bullets, and you'll notice that the items are now all have a little dot in front of them and are closer together. To undo, to remove the bulleted list, just click again in the bulleted area. Now we're going to choose a different type of bullet. We're going to choose the check mark this time. Now everything that was highlighted has a check mark in front of it. We can also make it now a numbered list by clicking in the numbered area. Perhaps one of the items is already been purchased on my grocery list, so I can make that a check mark and notice how it renumbered the rest of my list. Spelling check. Sometimes you'll see a red wavy line under a word. When you see that, that's an indicator that the word has been misspelled. To see what choices you have to correct it, you can right-click on the word marked with that red wavy line under it and select from the words at the top of the box to correct it. To go to the spelling check to check your spelling in the entire document, go to the ribbon on the Review tab, and in the Proofing group, click on Editor. The Editor pane opens to the right with the number of spelling corrections displayed. Click on Spelling to display the words in question. To keep the word the same, click Ignore once. To ignore all occurrences of the word in the document, click on Ignore All. To add the word to a dictionary so it doesn't come up again as misspelled, click on Add to Dictionary. To change this instance of the word, click on the correct spelling in the list. Click on the X to close the editor pane. Now you'll notice that if your program does not recognize any spelling or grammar errors, the window will not open. Let's take a look at an example. Here I've spelled the name of our library, Midpoint, And with a right click, it is showing me that it could be spelled differently. Now when I go to the Review tab and the editor pane opens up to the right, telling me I have one misspelled word. It gives me the definition of the word correctly spelled. I can choose to ignore it once, ignore all instances, or add it to a dictionary. Then I click to say ignore once, and the line goes away. Grammar check. Grammar check works the same way as spelling check, except that it leaves a double blue line under the item that has incorrect grammar. You can right-click on it to select the words from the top of the box to change it to. Or if you want to check your whole document, you can go to the open the editor pane again, and go to the grammar to display. The editor pane opens on the right with the number of spelling corrections displayed. You can click on the grammar to display the words in question, and then to keep the words the same, click ignore once, and to change the instance of a word, click on the correct grammatical option on the list, or click on the X to close the editor pane. For extra practice, try an online class through Midpoint Library's lynda.com, or type in www.gcflearnfree.org to go to a website that will help you choose other programs to learn about. Thanks for stopping by.